I welcome you all to the tutorial session for using Tinkercad for Arduino Craft Competition. So I'm Mokshnadi, co-head for Arduino Craft. So without wasting any time, I'll move to the problem statement and the workspace of how you will be using Tinkercad for the competition round of Arduino Craft event. So you will receive this problem statement containing the problem statement, the link where you have to create the circuit of Tinkercad, and the submission link where you will be submitting. So let's read out the problem statement first. So it's given create a basic traffic light system containing red light 32 seconds, yellow light 3 seconds, green light 5 seconds using LED lights and using Arduino Uno on Tinkercad using the class link given below. So see, this is a basic problem statement. It does not involve any kind of mathematical computation at your end. So you don't have to like get a pen and paper and get stuff, computed, like calculations. So it is given like red for 32, yellow for 3, and green for 5. So once you understand the problem statement, you can go ahead to click on this link, which will lead you to the class wherein we'll be creating the circuit. So let's click in this link. So this is the Tinkercad page where you will be logging. So use Google login using the official IITM email ID which you have received. So let's wait for a moment. So yeah, I log in using my IITM email ID. So this is my okay. So under this class you can see Arduino Craft demo, right? So right. So now go to design, create circuit, right? Okay. So now you know the problem statement. You have to create a traffic light system. So for that, you can see this component panels. So you can use any of the components with which is corresponding to the problem statement given to you. So here we need just LEDs and Arduino Uno. Here you have other options like motor, batteries, potentiometer, capacitor, LEDs, resistors, push button, breadboard, DC motors. So these are all the options you can explore it. So let's take Arduino Uno R3. Let's put it. Now, since traffic light contains three lights, we'll be taking three lights from here component list. Let's put it one here. This is red. One more. This will be, let's say yellow. Another one. This will be your green light. So this is the basic traffic light you observe. Now we need to do the wiring. So first of all, this wiring portion will be covered, like logics, why we are connecting the pins. This will be covered in the workshop of Arduino Craft by our lead professor, and I am also doing it right now, so you can refer to it. So let's connect the ground pin. Third, again this to the ground, and this one more. See guys, I'm making this rough circuit for you. Your circuit will be analyzed based on the functionality and the timely submission. And the fastest circuit makers and coders will win the competition. And we have a very exciting pool of rewards. We have 20,000 rupees plus of rewards. The pool of reward is more than 20,000 rupees plus. So you can expect a very good reward at the end if you win. Let's connect this to pin number 13. This pin number 12 and this to pin number 11. So that's we have connected the wires and the lights. Now let's go to code. Let's code it. So here we'll be using the block coding. Let's delete this thing on start. So what you want is set pin number. So let's say we are starting with red. So red is connected. If you see the circuit, red is connected, this wire is connected to pin number 13, right? So in the code, you'll be writing set pin 13, pin 13 to high when start. Now, what the problem statement said, we have to add a delay of 32 seconds. That red should run for 32 seconds. So let's add a delay component here. So you go here, you go there. So you can add this wait thing, right? Wait for how many seconds? 32, right? Now then go to output. Now what we want is after red what light comes, so it's green. So let's go here. We'll set pin to high. Now see, green is connected. This thing is connected to pin number 11, right? 11. So, oh, so in the code, set pin 11 to high after 32 seconds of red. Now again, we need to wait for yellow light. So we'll add this component here. Now how many for how many seconds we are adding green? So in the problem statement you can see green for 5 seconds. So we'll add delay of 5 seconds. Now again go to output, go to set pin is too high. Now it's turned for the yellow light. So yellow light is connected to your pin number 12. So let's say pin number 12 to high. Again we'll add the delay of 3 seconds as the problem statement gave the delay of 3 seconds for yellow light. So here it's 3 seconds. So I guess now the code is good to go. You can see this is the code you're gonna do. This is the block coding, right? Once you're done with the code, you can run the simulation, which will show that does your circuit performs well and does it perform the function you are given in the problem statement. So let's start the simulation. It is initializing, so it started. So for 32 seconds, let's wait. Here you can see the simulation time. We'll wait for 32 seconds. Now green light started, and after 5 seconds, the yellow started for 3 seconds, right? So let's stop the simulation. Now, if you observed, what happened was like red was high for 32 seconds, then it didn't turn off. Rather, it was turned on as well as green light got turned on. So we don't want it in the traffic light system, right? So we need to turn off the red as well once the 32 seconds are done. So in the output, we'll go to set pin this, and so after 32, set pin 13 to low. Correct. Again, we'll add the same thing here. After 5 seconds, set pin 11 to low. That is switch off. And again after this, uh, set pin after waiting for 3 seconds, set pin 12 to low. Now we have rectified our code. Now let's start the simulation and see. So it will go for 32 seconds. See, now the red light got turned off and now it's green light. After 5 seconds, you see the yellow light. After 3 seconds, it will get turned off and now it's on the loop, right? Now we haven't started another traffic light red. So the one loop was completed. If you want it on loop, you can add a loop from here as well, from control. Like you may add this forever instead of this on start, so you'll see it going in the loop. All right. So that's all. This kind of basic circuit will be given to you in the competition round. So once you're done with this thing, you can stop the simulation. Now comes the submission part. So when you're submitting, make sure your circuit is visible at this thing. Like full circuit is visible. The code in the block coding pattern is visible here. Now go to your laptop screenshot panel, take a screenshot, right? Take a screenshot, save it to wherever you want. Once you take the screenshot, now when you go to the problem statement, you will find a Google Drive link. This is the Google Drive link you get, right? So let's go to this Google Drive link. Google Drive link. Here you'll be adding a new file upload. This is a screenshot which I took. Upload this thing. It's getting uploaded. That's done. You will rename it with your roll number. That is minus 23F20040221. Okay, that's my roll number. Or you may use your email ID here as well. So at the rate ds dot .ac.10. Okay, so that's it. The file name should be your roll number or your email ID, which is official, right? Once you're done, your submission is now done for final considerations. Our team, our moderators will constantly look into your submissions, as well as when you are working on this Tinkercad, when you are coding this, when you are making this, our team will able to see you live doing this connections. Is this is done inside a classroom which you joined, so you'll be monitored very well. And we commend you that not to use any kind of AI tools, as we are having software to check plagiarism. So if at any stage plagiarism is found, the submission will be discarded and you would be revoked from the competition. So please don't involve yourself in using AI for this thing. So that's it from my side. For more queries, you may contact me, Moksh, or Aman, the head, or you can post your query in the WhatsApp group. Thank you for joining here. I expect you to see in the Arduino Craft workshops very soon. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.